Today we're going to learn about factor by grouping. So when would you use factor by grouping? You would use it when the polynomial has 4 terms. There are 2 basic steps. 1, check for the greatest common factor, and 2, find the GCF for the 2 groups. All right, let me show you how. Here is a polynomial. Let's look at the first 2 terms. What is the greatest common factor that can be taken out of those terms? Did you get it? Yes. You can factor out a 4. Okay, but what about the variables? Can you factor out any of them? Yes. You can factor out an x squared. All right, so let's factor out a 4x squared. So we factor out a 4x squared. The first term will be 5x, and then minus 3. Our next step is to simply bring down the sign. Let's look at the next 2 terms. What can you factor out now? Just a 3. But now you'll have to watch your signs. So you'll have 5x, but the next term will be minus 3 because a minus times a minus will give you the plus 9. But what do you notice about this? Both the parentheses have 5x minus 3. This must happen for grouping to work. Now take the terms you factored out and put them together. The 4x squared and the minus 3 go in one parenthesis. So that is your first term, and then just bring down your second term, and you're done. Congratulations, you have now factored by grouping. So the polynomial you started with is the same thing as the factors 4x squared minus 3 times 5x minus 3. Okay, let's take a minute to review. All right, first you use this method when you have 4 terms. You check if there's a GCF. You separate the polynomial into 2 groups. You factor out the GCF from both groups. Then those 2 groups are your factors. To see more examples, just watch the video below.